Magento is a powerful open-source e-commerce platform that enables businesses to build and manage online stores. Here's a quick guide to using Magento for your e-commerce needs. Install Magento. First, download Magento from the official website. Choose between Magento Open Source or Magento Commerce, depending on your needs. After downloading, install it on your server or use a hosting provider with Magento support. Set up your store. Configure basic settings. Once installed, log into your Magento admin panel. Set up your store's details like currency, tax settings, and store information. Design your store. Choose a theme that fits your brand. Magento provides various free and premium themes, or you can create a custom design. Add products. In the admin panel, navigate to Catalog, Products, and add products to your store. Include details like name, description, pricing, images, and inventory settings. Set up payment and shipping. Payment methods. Configure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or other methods via stores, configuration, sales, payment methods. Shipping. Set up shipping methods under stores, configuration, sales, shipping methods. Launch your store. After testing, your Magento store is ready to go live. Promote it through SEO, email marketing, and social media to drive traffic.